3. If a borrower rents a room for $1,500 a month, how much would the underwriter count as income? 1,500. Answer $353. $1,125. Question 354. If a borrower receives $1,500 a month child support income, how much would the underwriter count as income? 1,500. Answer 354, $1,875. Question 355. If a borrower receives $1,200 a month SSI income, how much would the underwriter count as income? 1,200 SSI. Answer 355. $1,500. Question 356. Calculate 3 points if the loan amount is $500,000 and the sales price is $525,000. 500,000 525,003. Answer 356. $15,000. Question 357. On a conventional loan where the borrower is making a down payment of $20,000, how much of the down payment must be from the borrower's own funds? 20,000. Answer 357. $1,000. Question 358. An individual that meets the definition of a loan originator, but works for a bank is called a. Answer 358. Registered loan originator. Question 359. To be approved as a loan originator, a licensee must not have been found guilty of any felony in the past years. Answer 359. 7 years. Question 360. The only exception to a person being granted a license if he/she has been found guilty of a felony in the past 7 years, or if the felony deal with money crimes, is if he/she has received a 7. Answer 360. Pardon. Question 361. What are the three protection options each state must have in place for loan originators? 3. Answer 361. Minimum net worth, surety bond or reserve account. Question 362. What is the penalty for violating the SAFE Act? Answer 362. $25,000. Question 363. When must the borrower receive the initial escrow account disclosure? Answer 363, within 45 days after the closing date, if it was not received at closing, 45. Question 364. When must the borrower receive affiliated business arrangement disclosure, AFBAR? AFBAR. Answer 364. When the referral is made, immediately, if not then, prior to doc signing. Question 365. When must the borrower receive the privacy policy notice? Answer 365. At first contact, and thereafter, once a year as long as he/she remains a customer. Question 366. An applicant is purchasing a home for $100,000 utilizing FHA financing. The home appraises for $98,000. What is the minimum dollar amount that the borrower must contribute as a down payment on this transaction? FHA $100,000. $98,000. Answer 366. $98,000 times 3.5%. Question 367. How long would an unpaid tax lien or judgment lien remain on a consumer's credit report? Answer 367. Forever. Question 368. What is the penalty for knowingly violating the TRID rules? TRID. Answer 368. 1 million per day. Question 369. What are the two agencies that created the NMLS system? NMLS. Answer 369. AARMR and the CSBS, American Association of Residential Mortgage Regulators, and the Conference of State Bank Supervisors. ARMA CSBS. Question 370. Mary wants to obtain FHA-insured financing on her primary home. Her housing expense will be $800.65. She also has the following debt: $192.65, auto payment, and $40, credit account. Based on her debt, what would be Mary's required stable monthly income to qualify for this loan using the total debt-to-income ratio? Mary FHA. 800.65. 192.6540. Answer 370. Answer, $2,403.02. You must know the ratios for FHA to do this problem. The back end, total DTI, for FHA is 43%. $800.65 plus 192.65 plus $40 equals $1,033.30. $1,033.30, 43% equals $2,403.02. FHA. FHA DTI 43%. 800.65 plus 192.65 plus 40 equals 1033.30. 1033.30, 43% equals 2403.02. Question 371. For an ARM, an introductory rate that is lower than the fully indexed rate at the time of closing is called a rate. Answer 371. Teaser rate. Question 372. According to the TRID rules, if the closing disclosure is mailed to the borrower, when is it considered received? TRID. Answer 372. 3 days after it was mailed sent. 3. Question 373. What is the formula for calculating the CLTV? CLTV. Answer 373. First mortgage plus second mortgage divide the sales price or appraised value, whichever is lower. First mortgage plus second mortgage divide. Question 374. What is the monthly PMI on a 90% LTV loan for a property valued at $500,000 if the monthly PMI factor is 0.60%? PMI 0.60%, 500,000, 90% LTV PMI. Answer 374. $225, $500,000 times 90% x 0.60% divide 12. Question 375. Harold is refinancing his home. The property appraised for $260,000, and Harold's loan amount is $195,000. What is the loan to value for this transaction? $260,000, Harold $195,000. Answer 375. 75%. Question 376. What is the penalty when a loan applicant makes a false statement on the 1003? 1003. Answer 376. May face a 5-year